Hey guys, and welcome back to Rev Lexus. Hopefully you guys are all keeping well, and today's a 10-month update on my Lexus SC430. It's actually past the 135,000 mile milestone mark. Pretty impressive feat, first car I've had with that higher mileage. Anybody new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's a Lexus channel for us. So the Lexus SC430 is powered by a 4.3 litre V8, about 300 brake horsepower. Main reason I got it is I quite liked the rarity of it, the fact it's got a hard top convertible, folds onto the roof. And part of this update, if we move to the rear, we can see I've lost a hubcap. So I've done about 800 miles in the last tyre and it got a flat, it couldn't be replaced, went to quick fit and I replaced it, and then the next day on the way to the shops the disc cover fell off. And it's also now shaking. I took the car and they said the wheel is balanced, but the car's now shaking, which was annoying. So I need to take it to Lexus Glasgow, then service in March, and hopefully get all that sorted out. Because we're in lockdown at the moment, we're not really doing many miles, but just an annoying thing to happen. I'm now in the hunt for one of these covers. And round to the back, everything's pretty okay around here. Boot space is actually pretty decent. Pretty much you can get your weekly shop in the boot of the car, which has been pretty decent. Down to the local Morrison's and getting some things. It does carry a weekly shop, so impressive feat for a small car. One annoying feature, it's just a wear and tear thing. We'll jump in, to put the side lights on. Is that going to do much? Nope. Forget the age of the car, sometimes put the key in the car. You'll see that turn. I do like the fact the steering wheel comes down and frameless doors. So we've got side lights at the side here, as you can see. And this bulb's went out. I went all over the YouTube channel, or YouTube video, sorry, trying to find a video how to replace this. And the only way I could see somebody's had to take out the bumper, the grille, remove some lining to get the actual headlight out itself. If I go inside, I'll show you what under the bonnet looks like. Gotta turn that off not to drain my battery. And if anybody knows any carpet cleaner and good leather cleaner, let me know, because it's something I could do during lockdown for the crew there. So if I jump inside, under the bonnet, and annoyingly I have attempted it. All these bolts will come off, and this does come off eventually if I lift this out. Engine's hot at the moment, but you can lift it, get your hand in there, and I can just about reach some of the components for the front bulbs, but this one's really hard to reach. Right in there, I can't even reach to get it out. So if anybody knows a technique to get this bulb changed without having to take the bumper off, let me know. And that's where we're really at with 135,000 miles. It's going in for its service in March, and that'll be just over a year. The year, end of February, beginning of March, can't remember the exact time it got delivered. I'll hopefully get it all serviced and sorted. And it's only done about maybe 2,000 miles, less than that in the year, which is not that much. But yeah, I've just washed the car before I put it back in the garage. It's quite shiny, and I do like the paint. I'm really happy with the choice of going for a blue one instead of like a gold or a silver one. But I'm rambling on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, an update on my Lexus SC430. If you like this video and Lexus videos in general, make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to this channel below. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao!